Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Good times for all. There's actually a bottle here if you prefer. In this video, just showing you what we're doing with the ground around here. We were going to take all the topsoil off completely, the grass, mound it up, and well, the weather being too wet kind of gave us a different idea. Instead, we mowed it. We're going to rake up all the dead grass and burn the grass right down into it, so we're not going to be pulling anything out of the soil. I just wanted to show you the little toy that we got. It's a little propane flamethrower. It's a lot of fun, and I just wanted to show you what I get to do all day today. So I'm going to light it up. Okay, it's lit, as you can see, and we have a So just like nature starts a fire, clear out the bottom of a forest, and everything grows back even thicker and stronger. We're going to be doing the same here. So who says farmers don't get to have some fun when they're working? But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you. We got quite a bit to do, so I'm going to get back to it. Got to go up to that mound and over almost to that bowl right there. So I got some work cut out for me, but that's it. Good times for all here, signing out. As always, thanks for watching.